Mbaaga Tuzinde was born at Bunyonga in Busiro County by Katamiza Waggumbulizi and Mmumanyi Bukua. He was raised in the household of the chief executioner Mukaajanga, who was his uncle and introduced him to work at the King's Court as a page. He was nicknamed Mbaaga. Mbaaga later joined Christianity at the age of 17 and was baptized by Charles Lwanga. The chief executioner Mukaajanga, who was his uncle, pleaded with him to denounce religion to be spared the king's wrath, but Mbaaga rejected the offer even when he knew the penalty for disobeying the king. He was separated from other matters in an attempt to implore him not to give away his life.
Yalina akakwate ku Mukaajanga. Mukaajanga yagamba mwana gwe suula eddiini nze nakuwoleza eri kabaka n'atakutte.
He was related to Mukaajanga, who told him to denounce the religion, but he refused. He was even taken to other relatives.
Munnange amuleeseeko ebuwaate bawaddewaddeko. Omu n'amulera n'okumulera n'amugamba mwana wange tonnuma nnyo nto. Suula eddiini n'agamba nti nze mmaliridde okufiirira eddiini.
Out of pity to spare him the pain, on the day of execution, Mukaajanga ordered his assistant to clobber him to death. Mukaajanga was heartbroken and broke out into tears, saying he had killed his own son.
Kwe Namugongo kukwokya ng'olaba. Naye ono ye si bwe gwali. Ye basooka yalagira omumbowa mu biru n'amukuba ekiggo ku nkoona.
As other matters were burnt alive, Mbaaga's case was different. He was beaten to death by one of the executioners.
Olunaku olwo yakaaba nnyo. Nago omwana wa attiddwa ddala bw'ati. Naye ng'obudde buyise. Anti obwayise ate bwe yoleka.
Mbaaga is the patron saint of seminarian.